Hi Larissa. So this video is just going to be the next steps in your self-portrait. So as you know, drawing upside down is a really good thing to do. You'll notice things upside down that you won't notice right side up. When you see me going up and down, sort of making pretend lines, like I did that a second ago to check where the mouth was going, or not where it was going. Hopefully your mouth is staying where it should, but how big it was supposed to be. For me, this is the best part of a drawing, where you're pretty safe, you have all the shapes in the right places, right? And now you can do all the cool details. So I'm about to realize that because the picture is so much on the dark side of things, I'm going to have a little bit of a hard time drawing in your hair. So what I'm going to do to solve that in a second is I'm going to print out a lighter version. I just put your picture into Photoshop and change the levels on the lights and darks. Your face will be washed out, but your hair will be completely visible. All right, there it is. So you can see how much more is there, right? I bet you that the photo you have at home probably has this much detail in it. So I was just checking to see where the sleeve is. So when I do that vertical line with my pencil, or the pretend vertical line, I am checking to see where that sleeve hits. So does it line up with the eye, the nose, and then I can match that on my own drawing and make sure everything's right. Looks like there's a ribbon right here, but I can't see it all the way. But I love shirts like this. So I really enjoyed working on it, and I wish I had time to do all the lace and everything today. So when you're doing your curls, choose the parts that you like, right? You're not going to be able to get all of the curls in, and you don't have to put any frizzy areas. You don't have to be that accurate. Art is an idealized view into reality, so you can totally give yourself that perfect hair day. Curly hair is often drawn like ribbons, like a curled ribbon. So think about that. And I'm sure you've already done that at some point because you've done more than one self-portrait. All right, so I printed you out darker so that I could see your face better. I realized that I sort of drew you as if you were in your 30s. And so having it upside down again and with an image that's adjusted so I can see more detail. You'll see when I turn you back around that you'll start to recognize yourself. I like how this looks right now. There's three of you staring. That's cute. So right about now, I'm starting to recognize you in my drawing. When you see me pause right before I work on the hair, it's because you do have to think more. So you have to first pick out a part that is interesting to you to draw, and then you have to decide how much detail, what part should be emphasized. And you would do this for wavy hair as well. Probably don't need to think that hard for straight hair. So if you are already way past this, maybe you'll see some things in my drawing that will help. But if you're not way past this, then hopefully this is the perfect spot. If you want to, go ahead and work on your drawing before we meet. You don't have to though. You can do it with me in class. Sometimes it's nice just to see the video and then do it together. But either way, I know whatever you choose, your picture will come out awesome. All right, I'll see you then. Bye.